I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for uni exams. Start by building a realistic weekly plan with study blocks and built-in rest. Use a calendar to assign topics to specific days and include past paper practice. Group related subjects to reduce switching costs and rotate subjects each day to keep memory fresh. Track progress with simple check marks and adjust the plan if you consistently miss goals. In this video, I will explain how to study for uni exams. Focus on active techniques like self-testing, spaced recall, and past paper practice to build confidence. Turn notes into questions and quiz yourself every few days, increasing intervals to strengthen memory. Use flashcards for key terms and formulas, and explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. Regularly timed practice helps with pacing and reduces exam anxiety. In this video, I will explain how to study for uni exams. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your study playlists and timers to life with crisp sound and simple voice controls, which can make focus sessions more enjoyable and hands-free. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for uni exams. On the day, start calm with a simple checklist, materials, ID, and a quick brain warm-up. Scan the entire paper and plan timing, noting high-value questions and any required formulas. Tackle easier questions first, then return to harder ones with planned time blocks. Keep answers structured, clear, and concise to help markers award marks efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.